In this segment of the e-learning tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to embed and post a link to a YouTube video. So let's say we have this YouTube video, how to format your paper in APA style, and we want to post this for the students in your course. You can do this two ways. First, you need to copy this link for the YouTube video. You can copy it from the URL on the very top, or you can click here on Share and copy the link for the sharing of this YouTube video. Then we go to the course page, and now let's say in 1.4 here we want to add a link to this video. First option I'll show you is how to post the link to it. So we select add an activity or resource, then we select the URL, then we say, and then under external URL we simply paste the URL that we copied earlier from the YouTube video. Then we scroll down and then press save and return to the course. So this is option 1, where the student clicks on it, it will take them directly to YouTube. Option 2 is where we can create a link on the page here. We create a page item, and then we post this embedded into e-learning. So we click here on add an activity. Let's select the option for page. So basically we give it the title, and then scroll down here under the page content and paste the URL for this. Now you paste the URL, and then you can click on the link here and then hyperlink that item. So we paste the URL again and then update link. So basically it needs to be hyperlinked from here. Once we have done that, we press save and return to the course. Then we navigate further down, and this is our 1.4 embedded video. The one that is embedded, click on it, and notice now the student can play it directly from here without being on YouTube, even though it's playing from YouTube.